Infill lots. These are lots that you can fairly easily get electric and water ran to, and a lot of times it's at the lot line, and you could build a house fairly quickly. You know, people that are interested in these are like new builders, like these guys want to build a spec home or developer, and you've got them on your cash buyers list already. And they're amazingly easy to find too. I mean, you can just go down the street and see who's building a new house and talk to these people. Sometimes it's the neighbors that are interested in it. And not to dive too deep in how to find the buyers, but that's the first type of land. You know, those are massive, huge amounts of profit you can make really quickly. And I mean like in a week sometimes. Go ahead.
And the reason, real quick, the reason why they're so profitable, in my experience, is they either want 10 times the value of the land or they want next to nothing. Right? I remember having an interview with Max Maxwell about a year ago, and his like #1 video was how he bought a piece of land in town for $250 or something, and it just blew up. I mean, this happens. I mean, Cody Hoffine bought a property for like $3,000 and sold it for like $97,000. This happens. You and I were talking before. Michael Ireland. I mean, unbelievable. A TTP family member like you and I. He's made what, $150,000 off of 2 lots or something in town.
2 out of his 6 deals. Yeah, 2 out of his 6 deals. And this guy's a silent killer. He like disappeared, and then he calls me right before Thanksgiving. Hey, I got good news.
Yeah, and the reason I bring this up is just to let you know that, listen, guys, there is a ton of potential in going after vacant land in town, especially if you can get something that's zoned commercial. It's bananas. But even if it's residential, you know, Brent, one of the things that we switched up in our script when we were going after land and seeing the opportunity, because we were making $30,000, $40,000 assignment fees on vacant land in town because nobody's going after it. One of the conversations that I switched my phone prospectors to was, when they gave us a no, would you consider an offer on your property, right? It was typically houses. They said no. We would say, okay, great, totally understand. Do you have any other properties, maybe even a piece of land that you would consider selling? And all of a sudden, that backdoor, we were getting deals from people telling us no, they don't want to sell their property, but they got this vacant piece of land that they're just paying property taxes on.
That is absolutely amazing.